Mr. Griffin, this has been a huge waste of time. I hereby find for the defendant, effective as of the moment I slam down my gavel uninterrupted.
Wait! Your Honor, we have evidence relevant to this case.
Who are you? And what kind of evidence?
I'm an HOA dick, and I found bylaws proving that Brick used his sprinklers on incorrect Tuesdays.
I'm a cop, and I'm gonna suspiciously turn off my body cam in case something sketchy goes down.
And I found Quahog's original survey maps, proving that Brick's sprinklers aren't even on his own property.
What?
The town surveyor was being pestered by a bee, so the property lines were all twisted turny.
Oh, that's why his statue's like that.
Well, this is more than enough evidence for cartoon court. I find for the plaintiff.
We did it!
Talk about all rise. Giggity! G-G-I-T-Y. Yeah, there's no D's in giggity.